Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Don't run me down with your bomb. Don't run me down with your gun.
Hold the song, youth.
Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Don't run me down with your bomb. Don't run me down with your gun. Don't play those tricks and me. I'm a dreadlocks, can't you see? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. They false rumor, they false rumor, and they iniquity. And them a deal with, yeah. Away you, away you. The wicked man rob and gone. I said the wicked man steal and gone. I said the wicked man grab and gone. I said the wicked man steal and gone. I said the dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Dreadlocks man is the wisest man. He know the secret of the wicked man. Don't run me down with your bomb. Don't run me down with your gun. Don't play the funny tricks on me, because we now wrong. I mean I'll buy the door. Me now go buy the door. Don't run me down with your gun.
I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Yeah, boy, he boy. Boy, he boy. It was the savior of my life, really opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life, really opened my eyes and saved me. From gunmen standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Yeah, boy, he boy, boy, he boy. The savior of my life really opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life really opened my eyes and said yes.
Fire there, I must still and think a cool breeze, yeah. Oh God. Fire there, I must still and think a cool breeze, yeah. Sit down in a fire and then think I could reach out. When it burn him have to move. When it take him have to run. So fire there I must still and think I could breathe, yeah. Oh gosh. Fire there I must still and think I could breathe, yeah. Trouble, and trouble will follow you if you want to make trouble.
Hold the song, youth.
Fire there, I must still and think a cool breeze, yeah. Oh God. Fire there, I must still and think a cool breeze. taking him have to run. So fire there, must still him think a cool breeze, yeah. Oh gosh, fire there, must still him think a cool breeze, yeah. Trouble, and trouble will follow you. If you want to make trouble, you will get it on the double. Yes, fire there, must still him think a cool breeze, yeah, yeah. Fire there, must still him think a cool breeze. Oh gosh, him going at the yard, him do egg and thing. When Miss Mary come, she said, what will I do? Go to me. Fire there, must still him think a cool breeze, yeah, yeah. Fire there, must still him think a cool breeze, yeah.
Talking to the ladies.
Meet me at the corner.
Link with link up.
Down here at me.
And we no cater with them a think up.
And I'll be patient, yeah.
We have the natural roots where we drink up.
Waiting there for you.
All the day I'm alive. Check it.
And said to tune in till the morning.
Tune in till the morning.
Tune in your Mrs. String.
See you.
And bread rings.
Come and stay.
Cause I like it like that.
When me love it like that.
Oh yes, I like it like
Yeah,
that.
me say me love it like that.
I like it like that,
When
yeah.
me love it like that,
You know I
yeah.
like it like that.
Rastaman love it like that, yeah. Me say, woman, you shine your light and make the whole place brighter. Me really have to love you tonight. Up to date flex, alright, you have the world uptight. And I leave, I be love you tonight. Not even priest and a chance. The way we lock tight. Well, tonight in the dance, what a beautiful sight. We have to advance over post and over fight. Woman feels so right, me have to hug her up and tell her side.
Meet me at the corner.
Link with link up.
Down your avenue.
For we no cater when them think up.
And I'll be patient, yeah.
We have in natural roots where
Yes,
we
I
drink
will.
up.
Waiting there for you.
All the day I'm alive, you know.
And you know it's true. I said to tune in till the morning. Alright.
Tune in till the morning.
Tune in your Mrs. String. And bread rings. Cause I like it like that.
I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari by the guidance. I'll never say what the daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari by the guidance. I'll never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. All the eyes be no guile. So mythology and illusion I'll be always burning. Corruption and confusion will be shown in the ash bin. Can't fool the Rastaman with your false doctrine, your false teaching. Oh, what a sin thing. Justice in disguise, it's salvation that is seeking. From the throne of David, yeah, it's obvious that is drifting. You have no respect for the king of all kings. So his name I'll be always exalting. So I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari by the guidance. I'll never say what the daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari by the guidance. Never say what the wicked are.
Say to me some 45 M16 on Magnum. Now live to right. German Luger to hype. AK make no youth lose them life. It's a 9. Say to me some 45 M16 on Magnum. Now flex to right. German Luger to hype. And AK make no youth lose them life. They are 15 control a whole house. fence him. The one Mac 11 round when Lana pop in. 38 that carry vibe, 2 Glock lip on a rise. 380matic stick up and a make a bag of nice. M1 say him no put up with the foolishness. HK from a ruler entire district. Walter PPK who boasting like this. Love of 22 cause anyway that fit. 303 still a talk about Kennedy's kid while chopper cut in a 2 and split justice. Bomb rifle still a bodyguard, the man will drive the prince. First Lara definitely soldier man kings. Mac 11 Uzi and all the M3. All of them they belong to the Israeli. Come now Jamaica, no let us live free. And fall about the Banton. Hear what I'm saying? Miss a 9, send to me some 45. M16 on Magnum, now live to right. German look at you hype. They came and knock you lose them life. Oh, them is a 45. M16 on Magnum, now live to right. German look at you hype. They came and knock you give them life. Smith and Wesson and that them get to John Wayne. Tommy was a bad boy in his days. When Kathleen died, few witnesses remain. Him and SMG, the two of them are the same. I'm gonna know right there. With special and resistance ring his bell. Can I tell them the carry so them pushing back?
Tell me why you really wanna hurt me. Baby, tell me why. Really gotten over you, yeah. Tell me why you want to desert me. I wanna know right now. Baby, have you found yourself someone new? Yeah. Since of lately I've been feeling blue. You don't treat me like you used to do. Yeah. After all that we've been through, all I'm guilty of is loving you. So I want to know why you really wanna hurt me. Baby, tell me why. Really gotten over you, yeah. Why you want to desert me? Have you found yourself someone new? Yeah. Why must love be so unfair? Let me know you're leaving me, and now it's clear. Now it's too much for me to be right now. And still you're acting as if you don't care. So I want to know why you really wanna hurt me. Tell me why. Really got over you, yeah.
For the moment you're feeling right, yeah. The moods and the tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, till a Rasta man come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right, the moments and tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, till Norris man come in your life. I pay no dues, I sent no rose to you. I make myself most available. So when you see me, you could look into my eyes. I tell you the truth and I will never say a lie. All years of your life, memories on your mind. For the moment you're feeling right, the moods and the tides are high, yeah. Say she never knew it, till Calibut come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right, the moods and the tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, she said she never knew it, till a Rasta man come in your life.
Love me for the reason
for you, baby. What is can I do?
Every time. Oh Lord, oh well.
Yeah, man, I choose a representative. I say clarity supreme to the fullest of it.
I searched for a while. Oh Lord, oh girl. This is the love I search to find. Yes. It wakes me
know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time gonna fly. And I never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, and I know I gotta give it a try. Come. And I know the road to reach it, and I know the ways to fail. I know all the rules, and I know how to break them, and I only know the name of the game. But I don't know how to leave you, and I never let you fall. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing. 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 Out of nothing at all. And nothing at all. Out of nothing. Every time I see you, all the rays of the sun are streaming through the waves in your head. And every star in the sky are taking into your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum, and it's lost, and it's looking for a rhythm like you. You can take the darkness from the fear of the night and turn it to a beacon that is always divine. I gotta follow you 'cause everything I know I'm gonna tell you till I give it to you. Oh Lord, my baby.
You want clarity?
Come! Get what I choose to represent me. I say,
These words keep a secret. It's only we know. And how long can they keep it? 'Cause we two lovers will lose control. We two shadows chasing rainbows behind closed windows, behind closed doors. If words could talk, ooh, they would say I want you more. They would say, hey, never feel like this before. And then you will always be the one for me. Yeah. Oh no. Two people making memories, just too good to tell. In these arms, never empty. 'Cause when we're lying where we stand, painting pictures, making magic, taking chances, making love. If words could talk, ooh, they would say I want you more. They would say, hey, never feel like this before. And that you will always be the one for me. If the world had eyes, mine, they would see the love inside. They would see you in my arms in ecstasy. And with every move they know, 'cause love you.
Why can't I be your friend for
Hold the song, youth.
Hold on. You want clarity? This is for real. Whoa, yeah. Tell me why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yeah. You know that I'll always want to be
what's come over you. Why can't I be your friend for life? Hey, tell me how can I go on and not be in love with you?
You want clarity?
Ooh, yes. Look here. See, now God gave the word and then the word took on to itself flesh. He made the birds, he created the wind and he made the firmament, yeah. He created the fishes in the sea, the birds and the honeybee. And he created you especially for me. Tell me why can't I be your friend?
You want clarity?
Like a family reunion. Oh, I see, and I saw. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Everything seems so real, the warmness of Jah I could feel. His love filled me up. Oh Lord, I didn't want to wake up. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. It's like a family reunion. We were all singing the same song, giving praises to the Almighty One. All I could feel was happiness, surrounded by righteousness. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. There's no room for the ungodly, none for the workers of iniquity. Only pure in hearts and clean hands. So be good, oh little ones. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. It's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth His right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Everything seems so real. Warmness of Jah I could feel.
I heard him say, Mama, take this badge off of me.
You want clarity?
Oh well, ooh, oh now. I heard him say, Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark.
represent me, I say clarity supreme to the fullest you see.
Prostitutes and robbers and thieves,
Son it, if you don't say the one son of boy, then go big up DJ Raw and Clarity.
Jamaican service. Why? Worries and problems. We get to youths are working hard to survive. The politicians still coming with bribe. But then the youths are holding on. Worries and problems. The ghetto youths are working hard to survive. The politicians still coming with bribe. But then the youths are holding on. Hey, why? As far as my eyes can see, the silent is in devastation. And only thing that they can do is try to convince this nation. So them come around time to time taking immigration, just to call them election. And the dates that they move to IMF organization leave us in desolation. Hey, and our worries and problems. That ghetto youths are working hard to survive. But then the system is
represent me, I say clarity supreme to the fullest you see.
Worries and problems. Then the youths are working hard to survive. But then the system is giving a fight. Ghetto youths are holding on. Oh Lord, the city is congested with robbers and thieves. And so many homeless youths got nowhere to sleep. Yeah. I also see them eating out of rubbish heaps. And cocaine and smugglers keep on roaming the streets. Why? And our worries and problems. I get to eat, I work hard to survive. But then the system
Son it, if you don't say the one son of boy, then go big up DJ Raw and Clarity. The thing turn up loud till it a death them.
Remember the days when people from the east side could go out on the west side and live in peace. Remember the times we could party till the sunrise. We don't fear of being victimized. We thought love would never cease. It's all about the good old days. Mama told me about good old-fashioned ways, when peace and love was the order of the day, and courtesy extended to anyone who come your way.
Mother ballin', calling 911. Mother she a ballin', just kill her one son. People gather round some, people iron as they hear the big loud nice out of the gun butt. We don't have to be like that at least this time of the year. Let's live in love and harmony, so everybody take care.
Scatter.
Though I was not born in those good old days, I feel the spirit of the good times in grandma's ways.
And I see it in her smile as she reminisces for a while. I do believe in every word she said.
I remember one time junglist could have walked, go a rima anytime after dark. No one be shut up and chop up, me say man I get wrap up. Nowadays you not have heart. One time God me could have opened my window. Now me I feel like up here up and never run the building. Guess it are the truth, them don't know about them roots. Me happy ask me grandmother. Remember the days
When people on the east side could go out on the west side and live in peace. miss those days, yeah. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign, yeah. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, do it just the same, yeah. Now I feel it in my heart. We in such a golden time at the park, yes. Now there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Oh, oh, oh. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign, hey. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, we do it just the same, hey. Hey, John Old Johnson, Ellis, Delroy Wilson, Dennis Brown, hey, hey. Big U, Josie Wells, that a Roy would wake the town, yeah. And you had to hold your woman real close when Smokey starts to sing. Temptations, Marvin Gaye, Spinners all the way. Aretha Franklin, Patti LaBelle used to make me drift away. Play Stevie Play, Samuel Denny Play, yeah. We dance all night to the songs they play.
Hey, me and my friend Z on the NZ, smoking Fenty, sipping on some energy, living up, living up, living up, living up. Surrounded by fine ladies, dainty babies, rocking and jigging to songs of all ages. Living up, living up, living up, living up. To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies. If you can't show you want chichi, you're not in my category. Rolling my truck, buckle up. Girls pull me over, asking me what's up. Living up, living up, living up, living up. So we rolled along to Wendy's, parked her ride. She and her friends then stepped inside. Living up, living up, living up, living up. To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not here if you love ladies. If you can't show you want chichi, you're not in my category. See, all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not here if you love ladies. If you can't show you want chichi, you're not in my category. Cause we know what no chichi man boy.
Sound it, if you don't start the one sound of boys, I'm going to pick up DJ Ron Clarity, the king turn up loud till it's at death them.
Oh, we know what no chichi man boy. And if you par with chichi man, you can't stay on. So we rolled along to North Beach and to South Beach and down in the Palm Beach where I and I man reach. Living up, living up, living up, living up. So I rolled in the lot, flick down my screen, turn on my DVD, you know what I mean. Living up, living up, living up, living up. To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies.
Yeah, man, I see you represent our message, Clarity Supreme to the fullest.
You're not in my category. And we know why no chichi man boy. And if you're power with chichi man, you can't stay on.
Enough time innocent, we're getting in trouble, you know.
What a situation I found myself in. Seems there's nothing I can do to prove to the old of me brethren them that me and Stacy, we're just cool. Can't understand how it acts, so yet I swear there's nothing going on. To them no know, said this girl's been always there to help me when I'm down. Worse when they see us holding hands and laughing together. Probably thinking we're making plans to run off together. Can't think we're just friends. They say I'm burning my lady. Some criticize and say me have me cake and I eat it. Oh. They can't think we're just friends. They say I'm secretly loving you. Oh no. Them say we coulda never live so. And nothing like one.
Well, every time when I talk to a woman out there,
everybody claims and me there we are.
And if I open a door and pull out a chair,
everybody claims and me there we are.
And when me cousin and me auntie come check me from here,
everybody claims and me there we are.
Say more time the comments them so unfair.
Everybody claims and me there we are.
We overstand it, chatty a bit. We'll never see relationship platonic. Never go beyond it, always step on it. Waiting for the first opportunity to grab it. Them love to say it, me no okay it. Tell them to research and them still don't obey it. Over the years I've had it, lap my mouth crab it. More time them they call the Empress panic.
Cause they can't think we're just friends. They say I'm burning my lady. Some criticize and say
someone spreading rumors on me. I wonder who could it be? Someone have their eyes on me, saying things that they never see. But stop scandalizing my name for the things that I know not about. Why is it I'm the one to be blamed? You watch me going in and you watch me coming out. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire, but I'm burning hot like a fire. I have no secret for no one to keep, so you can say what you wanna say. You never see me playing hide and seek. I try to live in a positive way. Can't you see that I'm innocent, but you're trying to find me guilty? I will never lose my confidence, so don't disrespect my integrity. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire, but I'm burning hot like a fire. I've been watching.
Girl mission, that me depend. Me nah have no time for grow and power with bag of man show. Love Sharon, hate Devon. Every day some man get up and a lean for man show. Every second, woman me reckon. Me carry them go a beach and a relax pon the sand. Them go a Virgin Island, in a me dive van. Me and Susie in a combination. Well, pan a girl them race. Myself me have to place. Pan a girl ugly, me still now watch no face. Under the face I do the work I come from her waist. I'm one woman, one big papa and mace. Well, me have a woman fi cook and woman fi wash. That's why them a say me great. Me flexing like King Solomon nowadays. Look at the girl, them look good. Them a mash up the place. And still some man no want none. Uptown girl they love me and I bring them money come. Place bust up when me touch asylum. Because you girl mission, that me depend. Me nah no time for grow and power with Tarzan Cho. Love Sharon, hate Devon. Every day some man get up and a lean for man Cho. Every second, woman me reckon. Me carry them go a beach and a relax pon this and me go a Virgin Island, in a me dive van. Me and Susie in a combination. Two man no big hounds. From early out me a flick up me sound. Be a girl like a me palm, me casco phone. Look how the girl them sexy and round. But the girl them grape cheese sugar at your trust stone. Every woman in the world are my own. To me and the king that wants to sit up me throne. A long time beauty and drama heal me. Tell Tony when you see me no call me. Let that to down. Even now miss when the girl them see me. That's how the feeling kicks
Take your time and do your thing, feel your thing and feel your thing. Don't ever see the fabulous and not chasing. We have the girls and pay attention to inner yard and foreign. 21 guns salute me now go left me system. Take your time and do your thing, I feel your thing, I feel your thing. You never see the fabulous son and not chasing. We have the girls them to attend to in a yard and foreign. 21 guns salute when I go left with his string. Number one pattern when we still have her. She look like beauty of the whole place a burn. Tell her say we concerned, we willing to learn. Every chicken at the book, like the great old worm, like the great old worm. So me go sing. Tell her say me want her. I'm not joking, I'm not floating. What I'm promoting. See if it because me want give her me talking. She pretty like pretty up love and floating. She nothing as some of them and the bag them posting. Then time she up there under heavy scoping. And that is what I'm supporting. A long time me hear she a say she will want to rope him. Free up on my line she is open. Take your time and do your thing. I feel your thing, I feel your thing. You never see the fabulous and I'm not chasing. We have to let them see I come to in a yard and find 21 guns and nothing I go left with this.
Fighting your brothers every day doesn't make no sense at all. Walk down the road and you see an innocent man. You rob and stop and shoot him down. Then when you think it's peace and safety, it's a sudden destruction. The Lord seek and find your trace, and they will even cut you down. So my brethren, make it easy on yourself by doing something that's constructive. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, my brethren. Walk a mile in my shoes, and then you'll be far, far.
Real and clarity.
Ooh yeah, then you'll be far, far, far.
Acceptable. Oh no. I want to know that you're gonna be responsible. Sin.
Real and clarity.
And I say you find yourself for the instrument of influence. Use it in a positive sense. I want you're gonna pay the consequence. Rebel speaks again. I say be careful what you teach your little children. Make sure I know something to hurt them. Mind what you saying to my sister. She could be the next prime minister. I say if you watch what you saying to me daughter, cause in the long run she could be your doctor. Oh, you fi mention that to me son Dan. I mean a woman they come up it on a gunman. Still you never listen. Your ears must be missing. Every day you say you're gonna shine and a glisten. You're talking for the scream and the lighter and the whistle. It look like you forget all about God blessing. The words not from your mouth. Meditation of your heart should be free from negative. Have every sort. Want a good cow, you better go a good calf. Be careful what you inject, what you inject in the youth them talk. And just watch what you teach your little children. Make sure I know something to hurt them. Mind what you saying to my sister, cause she could be the next prime minister. I say be careful what you saying to me daughter, cause in the long run she could be your doctor. Oh, you fi mention that to me son Dan. I mean no woman little want it on a gunman. Mr. Tire, Mr. Jacket, you false prophet, leading the children astray. You fi stop it. Just a money rocket for put in your pocket. Give the people water fi carry in a basket. So if you find yourself with the instrumental influence, anytime you use it, use your conscience. The seed where you sow, it is no accident. Never you shall escape the judgment. And watch what you teach your little children.
Inna the neighborhood watch, slang bang inna the neighborhood watch.
My watch.
Yes, inna the neighborhood watch, down inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
All the while, them coming on me yard, thief off me clothes off a line. But tonight, they on me yard, yes me I go broke a boy's spine. Not in the neighborhood watch. Me sit down in the neighborhood watch.
Watch this.
Slang bang in the neighborhood watch.
Let me know. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too rest. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too rest. And them thief when me video and me one flashlight. And thief off me silk and me linen last night. But selfie wonder me a set up tonight. Anytime me hold him, me ma go lose him eyesight.
In the neighborhood watch. Yes, in the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and
spot in the neighborhood watch. Hold on. I work so hard 7 days a week just to live at ease. Still these thieves don't give me a chance. They do all the things they please.
Can't live in peace.
But tonight, me dey on me yard. Yes, me happy old one tonight. Not in the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot
in the neighborhood watch. Woman and man in the neighborhood watch.
You tell them, some me girl night, but they still not certain. If me a come win, go now me have me bad say me good night, but them still not certain. If me a come win gun, I me have me bad watch ya. When they see me say them get frightened. Me say some of them a flash like them a flash card. Me youngie here, but me do see nothing. Only the footprint me see in a my garden. Me friend post me take up the desert eagle. Me drop the long thing, they pump right for me so gun. Say me had a murder something. Me say come down Luciana, come tell them something.
We no have no time fi go sleep tonight.
Yeah, man, I choose a representative and say clarity supreme to the fullest city.
When you're young, you're afraid of the dark. When you grow up, you're not afraid of the dark. You listen to your heart that's telling you from deep within.
You want clarity?
Don't be afraid, let your love begin. I remember the night I met you, when you said that we will never part, and now you're leaving, taking another, leaving me standing with a broken heart. Yeah, I don't wanna be the one who said I'm gonna miss you, but I will. But I don't wanna say I'm gonna cry my eyes out, baby, but I will. You know I will. I'm not ashamed for you to know how much I really love you so. Yes, it was a thrill, but I'm the one who told you I will love you till forever, and I will. Yeah. So kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I blow my top, honey, honey. Don't stop. One more time. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I blow my top, honey, honey. Don't stop. Oh yeah.
That I didn't turn you down. I've watched you all these years, holding your head up high, just wanting to be someone. When all the fellows around, they didn't pay you no mind. How could they not look twice? They must have been blind. But I could tell from the start, you had love in your heart, and you wanted so much to let it go, baby. You needed the chance to show a little romance. Now the table has turned, they're running you down, baby. Show it off. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Brand them 'cause
now, baby, let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey, show it off. You got them at your feet now, baby. Ooh, it makes me feel so good. Whoa, down. I remember standing on the corner with the brothers hanging out, and they'd stare at every woman, but never at you. But I've always admired and had a silent crush on you. But how could I tell the brothers? They laugh and say it's not true.
Oh, yeah. This is for my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face.
Well easy.
Yeah. Now listen now. We have so many things in common, yet we are two different people. We just love being around each other, yet we give each other space to grow. Step by step we are getting stronger. Breath by breath we are learning about each other. I don't know where this will go, but I'm so glad we are taking it slow. This is for my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face. A certain mystique is there when we are together. The air is so charging. Everything seems so fine. Wherever this leads.
It's a while since I've been trying to get it on with you, but you keep on saying you don't know what to do. Don't know much about you, yet you're always on my mind. So all you gotta do is leave it to time. Everything will be fine in time.
Hold the song, youth.
Leave it to time. It will be fine. It's a while since I've been trying to get it on with you, but you keep on saying you don't know what to do. Don't know much about you, yet you're always on my mind. So all you gotta do is leave it to time. Everything will be fine in time. Time alone can do anything. Time can move in the mountain. Time will make you realize someone's in love with you. Hey. Baby, it's true.
You want clarity?
Yeah. So what are we gonna do? Punchy-loo, now you know how I feel. Will you ever realize that I'm for real? Let me assure you, not promise you, I won't break your heart. Now you know it right from the start. So leave it to time. Time alone can do anything. Time will move in the mountain. Time will make you realize someone's in love with you. Baby, it's
true. I've lifted mine eyes and I've seen the sign of the times that the Marcus prophesied in a long time. Oh Lord, with the ignorance of our people has held us captives of our own mind. Can't you see we're running out of time? Let's change our lives, my brothers and sisters, and say the calling of the Father. He is the only one that's willing to save us divine. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new
Nature reveal it, and I do believe it. Yeah. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign. In I bingy chant right. Mother Nature reveal it, and I do believe it. Whoa,
Cause we know we're not gonna get away with the wrongs we continue to display. A scripture from the good book say, according to our works we shall get paid. We've gotta be sure the things we've done is being worthy under the sun.
Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign. And I bingy chant right. Mother Nature reveal it, and I do believe it. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign.
You've been my father for as long as I can remember. A father till the end.
You want clarity?
You've been my friend, a friend for all eternity. The closest friend to me, yes. And when the road of life seemed rough and rocky, you were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy. You'll always be my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My father, my friend. My father, my God. Yeah. You've been my father for as long as I can remember. A father till the end. You've been my friend, a friend for all eternity. The closest friend to me, yes. And when the road of life seemed rough and rocky, you were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy. You'll always be my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you I'll never hide. You are my God, the only one I ever had. You prove your love for me, yes. You are my guide. Your footsteps I will walk with pride. My praises I'll give to thee. You're my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will sing by your side.
Don't ever forget where you're coming from. No, don't ever forget those who helped you along your way. Your ego flies high to the sky. Remember what goes around comes around. Everyone needs someone, but it seems you've forgotten. You should never burn your bridges behind you, 'cause you never know what life has in store for you. Always do the good and good will follow, 'cause you never know what happens tomorrow. Time is the master, yet time can be disaster. Help a brother if he's down, yeah. Love and be loved, and you'll be blessed from above. But it seems you've forgotten. You should never burn your bridges behind you, 'cause you never know what life has in store for you.
I know
Clarity.
Boy, oh, yeah.
Run it. Run it. Run it.
I know the scores. I know the roles. Baby, I know what's going on. I know the scores. I know the roles. Baby, I know what's going on. And I see you on the street looking neat. Girl, you look so sweet. So sweet. When I see that neon light shining bright, when you're out of sight, when you're out of sight, the way you pass me by, babe, the way you pass me by, oh yeah. I know the scores, I know the roles, baby, I know what's going on. I know the scores, I know the roles, baby, I know what's going on. I know that you know, I know the score, I know that you know, I know the roles, I know the score, I know we're doing it all night, baby, I know what's going on.
We're doing it all night, Saturday night. We're doing it all night till the broad daylight. All night, Saturday night. We're doing it all night till the broad daylight. Well, it's Saturday night and we are going out on the town. Go get yourself ready because you're coming with me. The moon is shining, the night is sweet. Come on, baby, spend the night with me and do it all night. Saturday night, let's do it all night till the broad daylight. All night, Saturday night, let's do it all night till the broad daylight. The same old place we used to meet, the same old faces we used to greet. Everyone will be there, dancing all night long. We're doing it all night, Saturday night, just all night till the broad daylight. All night, Saturday night, we're doing it all night till the broad daylight. Put on your best dress, the sweetest perfume. Tonight we'll be loving in ecstasy. Come on, baby, say you'll go with me. Let's do it all night, Saturday night, let's do it all night. Let's do it all night, Saturday night, let's do it all night.
So you better be prepared.
Try your best, prepare a place in your heart. That's where it all starts. A place in your heart. Make love your resort. Open your heart and let these feelings in. To deny these emotions would be like a sin. On you's love and true love I give to you.
just got up in physical attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you're more than just a friend. And if I am in love again, I will be sure that the lady is a friend. And if I am in love so true, I will be sure that the lady's just like you. If I say that I could be your one and only, promise you'll never leave me lonely. I just wanna be the one you need. I just wanna be the one to serve you. Sometimes I feel as if I don't deserve you. I'll cherish every moment we share. And if I am in love again, I will be sure that
I did not see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy when a friend told me I was in danger. So much danger. Underestimating my woman, not taking her out. Working too hard and now she's gone off with a stranger. Someone I don't even know. I should have taken her out every once in a while. Dinner together on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I guess I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna feel funny out there in the crowd when my friends all ask me, where is your woman? Long time I don't see. Now I've got to think fast, gotta use my head. Give a good story and make sure they buy my version of the situation. Although I don't wanna lie, I'm gonna do this once. See my reputation sinking in a distance. If they knew the truth that really existed, then my little sanity would be wasted. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. I could beat myself. Oh Lord. Ooh, I'm hurting bad. Ooh, I'm hurting. Now I'm gonna put the blame on the person that told me. They should realize that it's gonna destroy my position. Remember, I'm a name brand. Though I really want to hear a little news now and then, this is not what I expect to hear from my friend. I'm disappointed. But now I've got to say, I should have held her tight every once in a while. Take her to dinner on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I know I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself.
She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto the Father. A long time I man want this little daughter. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. After me talk to the mother and the father, send love letters with the brothers and sisters. Them a talk how I can get the daughter, but see they know one naughty dreadlocks take over. She loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. She loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. I hope and I pray that she would surrender to me. Cause she was in love, but maybe too blind to see.
Rowan Clarity.
Oh yeah. Every time I look in her face and I see the pretty smile, there I surely know you are a J-Love's child. So I see her mommy from afar.
need you.